Okay, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Michelle.
Hey, it's your girl Tori, aka Tori.
And this is Mori Entertainment.
What?
Mori Entertainment. So we are
continuing
our trip down B.A.P. memory lane.
I mean, come on, guys. You can't blame us.
Yeah, and like, go, just go check them out.
Go check them out.
Check
Go
out their
support
solo stuff. Yeah.
And of course, subscribe to us because you love us. I mean, we know 97% of you guys aren't subscribed.
Even though you keep watching.
We want you to join the fam here.
Yes.
Like, we have plans. The more subscribers, the more that we can do little giveaways, little stuff like that. I mean,
because we wanted to do a giveaway.
We want to do a giveaway, but we haven't reached our first limit that we set.
Yeah. So
I mean, and this is coming out of money that we actually work for. So
yeah,
it's like our own.
It's not coming from YouTube at all.
Zilch. We make
At
nothing.
all.
We make nothing.
Nothing. Which is
Nothing.
fine because I have fun doing these.
Yes.
And the group we were going to do a giveaway for has been highly requested on this channel. But we feel like we need
To wait a little bit.
Yeah, we haven't reached our goal.
And I feel like
do
once
that
we
yet.
reach the first one, we'll do a small thing.
A little
but
something, something.
A little something, something.
But until then,
Oh well.
subscribe.
Anyhow, we'll continue. We're going to be reacting to B.A.P.
Hurricane. This song. Look at, like, y'all can hold on. Let me.
You need to let them say.
Listen.
They need to say.
Do y'all see the scenery
Yo.
that is on this screen? The visuals.
Yo.
Look at them at the bottom, swag daddying up by this casino. Like, they swag daddies. I don't care what nobody says. All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes.
2013.
Yes.
2013.
This is my shit. Yes. Yeah. Fuck, feels good. This beat, I love it. Yes, vocals, baby, vocals. I doubt, like, we probably didn't react to these in order that they came out at all.
Nope, it's high.
But it's fine. Yes.
Get it!
Yes. I love this so much. You keep going down. Oh. This is sexy. I swear. We don't know how to dance, we just like to try. Yes.
Oh
That
my
fucking
God.
hair. He looks like I was about to say 60, 40-year-old Ajuma with a perm.
Zelo. His hairstyles are always unique.
This makes me wanna like. You know what I mean?
Don't want is mine till we will shine.
Get it. No one can say they can't dance. No one. No one.
Turn it up now, run it up now.
I like this part.
Okay, shout out to you now. Turn it up now, run it up now. We hurricane. We hurricane. We hurricane.
Oh my God.
Okay, Mr. Swag Daddies.
Woo! Oh my God. What?
Oh no, that was No Mercy.
Oh, too bad. We're not.
I know.
Apart from these, we're not.
We don't have time for more. Well, we're doing more. But
Yeah.
other than the ones that we already have
Yeah.
queued, lined up.
We have quite a few for you guys. You guys better feel like love and appreciation. And
Hurricane.
oh my God.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Oh, they're rapping. Or not rapping. They're dance moves in it.
Yeah.
Were you beating me up from behind?
No, I was like, I was getting wild, getting funky, getting loose back here.
One subscribe will save my life for a day from this crazy woman.
Hurricane. Hurricane. I swear I'm not drunk, guys.
I might not survive another night.
It's just, caffeine.
Well, we're gonna let you guys go so we can get some other videos out there for you. Check out B.A.P. Do not sleep on them. Well, they're disbanded, but do not sleep on their solo
Yeah, go
stuff.
check out their solo stuff.
Oh, heck yeah. Let us know who was your bias.
Yeah.
Like, I'm still, sadly, still deciding. Like, there's
I got
quite
a fucking tickle in my throat and it's driving me crazy.
Take a sip. But no, like, I can't decide my bias. Like, it keeps honestly changing.
I think overall mine's Daehyun.
He's drawing me quite a bit, but I love Youngjae.
Daehyun
Oh,
and Jungup.
but they're vocals, and I'm not a vocalist person normally. It's a rapper, and I think, you know what? I think a rapper was my bias at first. For that.
Hurricane.
Bye, boy.
Oh yeah.